Hi friends, this is your tech expert Neil and you are watching HowISolve.com. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily make an Excel file unprotected without using the password. So without wasting much time, let's get started. For this task, we'll need a tool, and this is a freely available open source tool. I'll provide the links down in the video description. First, we'll head to the GitHub page for that tool. So as you can see, this is the open source tool that we'll be using. It is called Excel Unlocker. You can go to this GitHub page. I'll provide you the links down in the video description. You can download the tool by clicking on this link over here. Once you download the file, you'll get an exe file, something like this, Excel Unlocker visual.exe. Simply click it and you'll get this program. In this, you just have to select the Excel file which you want to unlock. In my case, I've got this protected Excel file in which you can see over here, these are all the sheets which is protected, and to unprotect it, you'll need the password. But I'll show you using this tool how you can do it without any password. So simply on choose file, click on choose file and then select the Excel file that you want to unprotect. In my case, it is over here. And then make sure this is not checked. Overwrite original file should not be checked. Otherwise, you might lose your data if there's some error in the conversion process. So make sure this is unchecked and then click on unlock. Wait for it to complete. And as you can see, once it's completed, a file is created called unlock underscore and the original file name. When you click on this, and now you can see this file is now fully unprotected. This tool only works with xlsx Excel file format, that is the latest format. If you've got file which is protected and it is in format of LSX, that is the old Excel format, you have to convert the file. So basically you have to save it as an xlx file and then you can unprotect it. Simply open the file and click on save as, wherever you want to save, select a location and convert it into xlsx file if you have got a XLS file, because this tool only works on the latest Excel format. That's how easy to unprotect your Excel file without a password. If you like this video, make sure to smack that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel HowISolve.com to get more such informative tips and tricks. Thanks for watching friends. This is Neil signing off. Bye bye.